Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of calculating unit rates. This is standard 7.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 1 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Tariq pays $22.10 for 2.6 pounds of salmon. So what is the price per pound? All right, so we're looking for the unit rate, the price per pound of salmon. And all we have are two numbers, 22.10 and then 2.6. So that doesn't give us much of a clue. So I want to show you that it's not very helpful just to take the numbers and do a random operation, because we're going to find that those answers are actually available. So let's just try random operations. Let's try adding them. So when we add fractions, we need to make sure we line them up. And we see that that answer is there, right? So if we want to make it dollars and cents, we've got $24.70. But this is where we need to use our reasoning. Remember, it's the price per pound. So $24.70 per pound. Does that make sense? Well, this is actually more than what he paid. And this is per pound, right? So this is per 1 pound. And Tariq paid less for 2 and almost a half pounds, 2.6 pounds. So the fact that he would pay more for less pounds doesn't make sense. But that's why we don't just take the numbers and add. That answer's there. That answer just doesn't make any sense. So let's see what happens when we take our numbers and we subtract. So 22.1 minus 2.6. So we're lining up the decimals again. We need to regroup a little bit. That's going to be 5. 21 minus 2 is 19. All right, so another answer that is available, $19.50 per pound, maybe. But if that's per 1 pound, that is less than that $22.10 for 2 pounds. But if we're going to take that, then if Tariq wanted 2 pounds, then you would just double it, right? If it's $19.50 per pound. Well, look at that. This is going to get us way too much. That's 18, 19. That's $39 for 2 pounds, and I need more than 2 pounds. I need 2.6 pounds, and I'm already way over my 22.10. So just taking the two numbers and subtracting them, also not an option. Let's see what happens when we multiply them. All right, so 22.10, 2.6, they just happen to line up, but there's really no need to line them up when we're multiplying. So that's going to be 6, that's going to be 12, that's going to be 12, 13, that's going to be 2, 4, and 4. All right, so does this make sense? We're going to have 2 digits behind the decimal and the factors, 2 digits behind the decimal and product, $57.46 per pound. Yeah, that's per 1 pound, but he paid $22.10 for 2.6 pounds. Way too big. Doesn't make any sense. So when we're getting the price per pound, guess what we're doing? We are taking our $22.10 and dividing it by the number of pounds, because this is the price per pound, right? That per actually gives you a hint that we're kind of looking at a rate, so we can divide. So if we take our 2.6 into our 22.1, right? Let's go ahead and multiply both by 10 to get that decimal out of there. And we're going to get that 8 times, right? And so that is going to be 48. That's going to be 1620. So 208. 13. Let's add a 0 to bring that down here. And that's going to be a 0.5, and that is our answer, 850B.